What's up everybody? Testing my new 360 camera. I don't have external microphone, pretty much it's running from a camera itself. It's got the wind reduction. I crank it up. I hope it's gonna pick it up very well, sound, you know, compared to my previous camera. Previous camera I like it. It was more simple to use. This one is slightly better and supposed to be 8K resolution. It's windy right now. Okay, I hope I'm not gonna do any record today. On this monster, one thing is really it's I mean, it's powerful, it's fast. Anything what I can wish it, it's there. Plus the battery is 1080 watts battery capacity. You can go on that board all day long. For myself, I can go over 30 miles on a single charge. For a lighter guy, this board probably is gonna do 65, 70. It's really amazing. The guy tried to run me over. Right now, probably low 50s or so. It's kind of cold. Plus, I mean, when you walk, it doesn't feel, but when you're going 15 miles or so, it feels cold. Plus, I got fingerless, my wrist guards. It's kind of like a glove slash wrist guard. At that speed, my fingers is freezing. That's what it's really nice to have a super flex high torque motor on your board. It doesn't matter what heels, this motor is so powerful, it never breaks a sweat. To be honest, I didn't find it yet a heel where this motor cannot able to take me. I mean, it's a powerful motor. Of course, I understand 45-degree slope or so, it will not do it because I'm too fat. Well, I never tried, of course, but that steepest hill, I believe, according to app, what was using to determine what's the slope, and I believe it's like in a 35 degree. It's pretty steep, and yeah, this board, I mean, this motor did able to pull it. I mean, 290-pound dude, no problem.